Hey, what's up, y'all? Dominica Revamp. Don't forget to subscribe. If y'all remember, Dominica is an Outre version. Got her in cinnamon wine, and I will go ahead and put a link to the install in the video. This is basically a revamp, wash, condition. I use Cantu curling lotion. I also use main curling lotion as well as conditioner and conditioner water in my spray bottle. So now what I'm going through doing is spraying water and conditioner in my unit so that I can untangle it. As you can see, it's really tangled. I had it in an up ponytail. I wore it down. I was wearing it with sweaters. So I wanted to go ahead and get my unit all together. And yes, we don't want to be wasting no money. So now what I'm doing is I'm going ahead and I'm taking my brush and I am brushing out all the knots piece by piece. And I have sped it up, but this did take at least a 2 to 3 hour process. Now I'm using the main curling lotion as well as the Cantu curling lotion. And I'm just making sure that it gets all the way in there. As you can see, it's popping them curls right back in there. To me, the best way to do this is when each piece is wet individually. And you'll get less nasty stuff at the bottom. The nasty stuff that you do get that you can't fix, go ahead and cut it off and run your fingers through those curls. And you guys can do this with any synthetic wig. It doesn't necessarily have to be a curly one. Now I'm twisting it. And I'm doing this so that until I decide to wear it or install it again, I won't have to worry about it getting matted. And so I just go through and I do this all the way to the ends. And see how I'm breaking apart hair again. Be very gentle. As you can see, I am not just like pulling on it or anything that would not like come apart or separate. I did not attempt to separate that way. The wetter the hair and the softer the hair, the better that the hair will last. And so that's why I'm using the Cantu. It makes the hair so soft and it's an alcohol-free curling lotion. And yes, I know this is a synthetic wig, but again, it is a human hair blend. So using products that go on human hair is completely okay. It's totally not a waste to me anyways, especially during a revamp. And so now I just rub some of that Cantu lotion on my hands to make it really, really soft. Sprayed more water and conditioner, more Cantu lotion. Separating it with my hands. More Cantu lotion. And I always start brushing from the ends to the top. And see how those curls are popping? Now again, cut that nasty stuff off. When you cut a curly wig, twist the hair and cut at the end. Now I'm using more of that Cantu. Majority of the time I use the Cantu up until the end, and then I'll use the black main curling gel. They're both alcohol-free products. Brush, twist. I go through and I do this for the entire video. put a lot of the Cantu curling lotion on it, and I sprayed it so that it would kind of detangle and unmat a little bit more on its own because it's getting softer and it's wet. Spraying that conditioner and water. Again, keeping it as wet as possible is very important. As you can see, I'm not just going through pulling and ripping out the knots. I'm actually detangling the hair as if it was actually connected to someone's head. Almost done. Cantu, and then the black one, which is that main curling gel. Then I start brushing from the bottom, go up to the top, cut the nasty stuff off, run my fingers through it, put some more Cantu, brush again. Even though this wig was 40 bucks, I promise this is worth it. I like this hair. Make sure the hair is really soft, wet. Begin twisting. Last one. Don't worry about that white, that will go away. And see y'all. This is what it should look like once you're done. Then you can put her back in the box and wait until you're ready to install her again. Now, if you guys thought this video was helpful, if you wanted to know how to style or condition your unit, if you want a shampoo video, let me know in the comments. It's pretty much just like you would do your own hair. However, I will see you guys next time.